friends! Ready? Today we are reading about Kit and the most amazing surprise. Kit goes to his favorite place in the whole house. Can you guess where it is? It is the garage. A garage is full of things. Tools, boxes, bikes, and lots of interesting stuff. Before we read, let's get our hands ready for today. We're going to do a pointing game. Every time Sparks points at something in the story, you point too. You can point right at the book or right in front of you. Let's practice. I will say something in the room, and you point to it. Point to the floor. Point to the ceiling. Point to something you can sit on. Great pointing! Now, here is one more thing to practice before we read. When I say, "Someone made that," I want you to point and say it with me. Let's try. Someone made that. Wonderful. Now let's read. Kit goes to the garage, Kit's favorite place. What do you love about your favorite place? Take a look around the room right now and point to your favorite thing you can see. Bunk! Kit bumps a box. A light bulb rolls out. Uh-oh! Can you make a surprised face like Kit? The light bulb starts to glow. Brighter, brighter, brighter. Use your hands to show me something getting brighter. Start with your hands close together, then spread them wider and wider like the light growing bigger. Pop! Out comes a tiny fairy made of gears and light. Hello, I'm Sparks. Jump up once like a pup and say, "Hello, Sparks." Sparks flies around the garage. Someone made that. Sparks points to a bicycle. Point with me. Someone made that. And that. Sparks points to a light bulb. Someone made that. And that. Sparks points to Kit's belt. Someone made that. Everything around you was made by someone. Kit looks around. Someone made all of this? Turn your head and look all around your room, just like Kit. Pick something you can see. Point to it and say, "Someone made that." Sparks sits on Kit's beanie. "Let's make something too." Kit smiles. "Yes, let's make something." Clap your hands if you want to make something too. Now let's talk about the story. Close your eyes and think about something Sparks pointed to. What did Sparks point to that you remember? Yes, the bicycle, the light bulb, the belt. All of those things were made by a person just like you. Here's a question to think about. What is your favorite thing in this room? Look around. Pick something. Now think about this. Someone had an idea for that thing. Someone drew it. Someone built it. That is what inventors do. And you can be an inventor too. Now let's play a game together. It is called Someone Made That. Here's how it works. Look around the room. Every time you spot something, point to it and say, "Someone made that." You can play this anywhere. In the car, at the grocery store, on a walk. Let's do 3 right now. Look around and find the first thing. Point and say, "Someone made that." Find the second thing. Someone made that. Find the third thing. Someone made that. You are already thinking like an inventor. Inventors notice the world around them. They see things other people made, and they think, "I could make something too." The end. You did a wonderful job listening and pointing today. The next time you walk into any room, see if you can spot 3 things and say, "Someone made that," because they did. And someday, someone will point to something you made and say the same thing.